Hey, what's up all you action figure lovers out there? Master Marvel's back at it once again, bringing you another action figure review of the DC Multiverse Collect and Connect Wave Steppenwolf pile. So yes, this is what I have here. I have a Steppenwolf pile of pieces. We're going to put him together. We're going to get a good look at this guy. We've just got done taking a look at the whole wave. Once we get this guy put together, I'll bring all of his wave mates back out so we can do a quick look at all of them together and maybe even do a rating. So let's go with this guy first. I guess we'll start off by connecting the torso to the crotch. Boom, that's done. Go ahead and put the head on there. Done. His left arm in there. Okay. Next arm. Nicely. He's already looking amazing. Yep, I was definitely looking forward to this one. Now, when they may not do good figures in their basic their toy line, you know, their basic figures, but when it comes to their Collect and Connect figures, it's like, damn, because this guy's massive, man. He turned out way bigger than I thought he was going to. See, look at his little axe held. Oh, wow. I am definitely pleased with this guy and with the size of this guy. Now, you're looking at him on camera. I mean, this dude is pretty big, okay? I'm going to measure him real quick from foot to horn to see how tall he is. Yeah, we're looking at like just right under 10 inches, you know, so pretty tall dude there. Give you guys a close up of him. He's pretty awesome. Pretty freaking awesome. Now, I wanted to do a comparison real quick to another Collect and Connect figure so you can see how big this guy is. Even compared to Ares here. Like, he makes Ares look tiny. And Ares is a good size Build-A-Figure. See what I'm saying? This Steppenwolf is massive. I love it. I can't believe it took me so long to get these guys finally out of the package and reviewing them, because they're great figures, man. They're going to look awesome on the shelf. Wow. So the Steppenwolf really turned out nicely. I am super stoked about that. So Mattel, you were capable of doing great things. Why didn't you just stay consistent with it? Oh, excuse me. Woo. Must have been some dust on this packages, because it's gotten dusty in here since I've been doing these. But yeah, I mean, I am just loving this guy. Good range of motion on the head. Oh, frick. Just look at that. So, alright. I'm going to go ahead and get out the rest of his wave mates and line them up here. Fuck. Alright. We started with Superman, so we'll start with him. Superman from the Justice League. Batman. The Flash. Aquaman. I'm gonna have to make some more room up here. Cyborg. And Wonder Woman. Now I gotta figure out how I would rate these from worst to best. Being is that none of them are actually really great action figures. Well, from worst to best, we'll just have to do it this way. Number 10 is the Superman. Number 9, probably gonna go to Aquaman. Number 8, we'll give to Cyborg. Number 7, we'll give to Batman. Number 6, we'll give to Wonder Woman. Wait a minute, what did I do here? So hold on, 10. What did I do? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Am I missing something here? Yeah, because there's not 10 figures here. I'm looking like an idiot on here, man. So, yeah. Let's just go with number 1. We'll do it that way. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, and 7, I guess. Being, yeah, he's the worst. This one's the best. So there you go. That's the way I'm rating them anyways. Yep, this is our Collect and Connect Steppenwolf. Pretty fantastic figure, if you ask me. Alright, go out there and get this, guys. You don't want to miss out on this one. This is a really cool figure, even if it's all you got. It's awesome. Alright. Hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And you are checking out MasterMarvel80 on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all later. Peace.